This is the 24-70mm f2.8 G Master 2 lens from Sony. B&H Photo is having a trade-in deal, so I traded in the only lens I've ever owned, the Sony 24-105mm f4. I got more for that lens in trade-in than I would have gotten selling it, so it's a deal I couldn't pass up. To test it out, I vlogged a trip to the bowling alley with some friends.
You gotta pull that pocket out right there. Hold it. Hey, just like this. Roll it up.
I blame the ball.
You blame the ball.
Ball made me miss.
All right, this another ball. Another ball. Okay, yeah, that was significantly ball. What was the ball?
Hey, it's like Bad Boys. Everybody want to be like Ed.
Everybody wants to be like Mike.
I wrist hurt. I wrist hurt.
This is your man Ed Scott here live, here to report Mr. Jalen Adams Singleton to see how he won last game. Mr. Jalen Adams, how do you feel?
Well, you know, it was a little tough at the beginning, but when you get the ball rolling is when you get the ball rolling. Sometimes you got to talk to her. You just say, hey, sweetie, down the lane, down the lane. But, you know, I just had to pull it through. That's all it was. That's all it was.
Yeah, I'll hold on to the mic next time. Thank you, sir. We're going to see you next time. Peace out to the studio.
I think this lens looks fantastic, especially the build quality. It's great for stills and for filming. Is the lens worth the high price tag? After this shoot, I would say yes, especially if you have something you can trade in towards it with this B&H deal. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.